So how do you change the iPhone to a light mode? Let's explain that. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so what you're going to do, of course, is to go to the control center where you have the brightness controller. And if you hold it down on it, you can see three more icons are going to appear, which are actually buttons, right? So in the middle, we have the night shift, which doesn't, really switch the colors or anything, but it filters the blue light. So it makes the temperature slightly warmer, right, during the night. So that might be something you want to turn off, right? But next to it, we have the dark mode, and this is likely what you mean. And this is going to switch it to the dark mode. All of the backgrounds in various different apps are no longer going to be white, but they are going to be black. It's actually easier on the eyes during the night, but you don't have to use it, of course. So you can turn it off like this, or you can stop it from being automatically turned on. For that, you need to go to your main settings app and check out the display and brightness. And in there, you can see we have the selection at the top, so you can switch from the light to dark mode or the other way around, and make sure that the automatic toggle below is not turned on. In which case, it would mean that after some time or after sunset, your phone will be switched to the dark mode. And if you want to keep it in light mode, then you just cannot have the automatic selection enabled. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you manage to set up your iPhone according to your needs. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Stay tuned, and I'll see you later.